All right, wheel number 4 on the BMW X4. This one looks like it's the worst of the 4 on here. I think it'll still all grind out with the red disc. I'm going to put a fresh red disc on though. Some of this is pretty deep. We'll see. I might have to go to the 50 grit for a second. While I'm grinding this out, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button and helping the channel, I would sure appreciate it. But I'm going to hit this with the red conditioning disc first, and then we'll go to sandpaper. That all sand out. All right, now we're going to sand all that out with the 320 grit. I need a fresh sheet of 320. Again, there's links in the description to products I use and recommend for repairing wheels. And again, there's links in the description to the tools and products. Besides paint, I haven't found a good spot for that yet, but you can go to any automotive finish store. I use PPG, and this color is going to be Sonic Silver. And again, if you're thinking you're going to get some of these rim saver tires to save your rims, clearly they don't work. It just makes it harder to repair the wheel. I suppose they would work if it was just a minor rub against a curb, but it's usually not, and these tires will just push right in and you still damage the wheel. As you can see, this does have the rim saver tires and still have damage pretty much all the way around it. All right, and then we'll go ahead and finish this off with the clear coat. See, I missed a little spot with the sander right there. You can still see the grinder mark just a little bit, but since it's already painted and clear, we're going to leave it. And that's it for this wheel. Going to be doing an, what is it? An Audi RS3 next. I'm going to go get set up for that one.